What's good? It's Rich. Yeah, back with another video. Still working on intros, of course, but really today something simple. Just gonna be hopefully a short video. Shouldn't be any longer than 10 minutes. Maybe even, I don't, whatever, we'll see. Anyways, today just something simple, doing some self-portraits, and I'm gonna kind of make it like a DIY home studio setup, I guess, whatever you want to call it. But in the end, I might do some Photoshop to like make myself float with something random, just so you can see that it's more about your creativity than what you have. But I'm not gonna do any extra recording for that part. I'm gonna just show the images at the end, because like I said, I'm trying to keep this one short. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so for my setup, you know, hit up Dollar Tree for my backdrops, which is really just some tablecloth. Yeah, simple. I got a white one and a black one. Maybe I'll get two little shoots in or something. And of course I got like some tape so I can tape it up. Another option could be just tape it, hang it from the ceiling. I'm not sure exactly how long it is, but depending on the ceiling, you can hang it from the ceiling or just tape it to the wall or something like that. But I just put it on something. A clothing rack. You can't see the full thing, but it's here. These you can also find pretty cheap. Way cheaper than getting the backdrop stand, I can tell you that. That's yeah, I'd rather have this. Not doing too much, but oh, one more thing. The reflector. No, reflector. Alright. Basically, a lot of you probably don't know what reflectors are for. It's in the name. It reflects the light, so like you see how this half might be more darker. I can bring this up and it'll lift the light a little bit. That's all it is. There's nothing more to it. It's pretty simple. And these you can also get at Dollar Tree or wherever you want to get it. But yeah, props. Props are the other thing that are important to really top off any photo shoot, because like I said, it's about your creativity and how you use stuff. So since I'm wearing white and not flexible, blue jeans basically, I'm gonna probably be using this Just Water, shout out Jaden Smith, and these flowers. Got these from the thrift store. You can get some from the thrift store, or you can get them from Dollar Tree. I don't think they have many blue flowers, but they got some stuff. They got all kinds of props. These are just what I'm using today. I'm pretty sure I had something else in mind, but yeah. Let's get to it. Yeah, you could definitely hang this from the ceiling if you want. Shout out Dollar Tree. Easy to distress, to add a more edgy feel to it. I like how they added that touch. So, put my tape somewhere. Found it. Alright. It is like thin. I don't know if it's because it's a white one, but it is pretty thin. So maybe if you are considering putting it on your wall, you might want to consider also having it, I don't know what I was going to say, like kind of fanned out on the floor. I have no idea what I'm talking about. So I'm just bringing it in a little, I'm just bringing in a little more. I think somebody was just looking at me outside. my setup. I don't know. There's not really to it. That's all there is to it, I guess. And then just, oh, the light, of course. I have this light. I'm blind in my, whichever eye this is. But, I don't know. I'd recommend having the light like above. So it's kind of like natural light, and then I can just get the reflector and boom. No, still don't really like the effect it has. Like so, maybe to the side. It's all about like moving around your light source if you can. And it's about good. All right, let's get some pictures going, and I'll be right back. As you see, another location can just be the plain wall, obviously. This wall is no longer plain. I just taped up some flowers. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing with my life. Yeah. Just find a corner or a whole wall, whatever you want to do. Post up, take some pictures. Boom. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know. I feel like this video might be too short. But if you want to like know more behind the scenes, we can always do that. I still have another camera, so it's possible, you know, I could still maybe even do photo shoot using that camera, because I've used it before and got great pictures. So just another way to show y'all it's not about how much you spend on something. That's not what really makes the picture better. I know a lot of photographers say that, and that's because it's true. It's all about if you know how to use the camera or not, and what all you put into it, whether it's the creativity or the edits or just a simple thought of like move over this way because the lighting is better. Just like it's all that goes into it to make it a good picture. And that goes for like everything too. It's not about how much you spend on equipment. Like if you're drawing something, you ain't gotta have $100 pencil. You can go to Dollar Tree and get some cheap pens, pencils, whatever. But I guess with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully I'm gonna try to have another video out this week. Not sure what it'll be on. Oh yeah, there's gonna be another challenge, the innovative challenge. I don't know. I might end up just making designs for my upcoming collection. So be on the lookout for that, of course. Don't know if I'm in focus or not. We gonna find out. This look like it's okay. But alright, I'll see y'all in the next video. I need an outro too. I don't know. I don't think I have any bloopers for this video. Well, this can be a blooper, I guess. I did almost die though, as you see in the beginning of the video. Tripped over that. That clothing rack thing, that was not working for me. It worked a lot better in my head. It just, I don't know. I guess it wasn't as tall as I thought it would be. I don't know. Alright,